In this quick guide, we're going to show you how to automate job candidate follow-up with Top Echelon, making your recruitment process faster, more efficient, and more professional. If you're tired of manually chasing down candidates or missing out on top talent, stick around because I'll walk you through everything you need to know about automating your follow-ups with this powerful software. Top Echelon is a recruitment software designed to streamline the hiring process, and one of its standout features is how it helps automate candidate follow-up. Whether you're working with a handful of candidates or managing a large pipeline, automating your communication will save you time and ensure you're consistently engaging with the right people. Now, you might be wondering how you can set up these automated follow-ups without making the process feel robotic. The good news is, Top Echelon makes it easy to send personalized follow-up messages at scale, giving each candidate the attention they deserve while still saving you valuable time. First, you'll want to set up your email templates. Top Echelon offers pre-built templates, but you can also customize them to match your brand's tone or the specific message you want to send. For instance, you can create a template for candidates who you're initially reaching out to, or one for those who've had an interview but haven't responded in a while. The goal is to keep the message clear and engaging without sounding too generic. Once you have your templates in place, you can schedule follow-up emails to be sent at intervals that make sense for your recruitment process. Whether it's 24 hours after a candidate applies, a week after an interview, or after a few days of no communication, Top Echelon allows you to automate these touchpoints with ease. This eliminates the need for manual tracking and ensures you're staying on top of your candidate pipeline at all times. Another great feature is the ability to track responses and automate follow-ups based on them. For example, if a candidate replies to your email but doesn't schedule an interview, you can set up a secondary follow-up message that gently encourages them to take the next step. This keeps the conversation flowing and ensures that no lead falls through the cracks. By setting these automations up correctly, you can keep your candidates engaged throughout the entire hiring process without having to manually follow up with each one individually. Plus, you can be confident that your messages are going out on time and with the right tone, which boosts your professional image. Now, let me share something really exciting. If you're new to Top Echelon, you can actually try out the software completely free using the first link in the description below. Plus, with our exclusive bonuses, you'll have access to extra features that will supercharge your recruitment efforts. One of the best parts of using Top Echelon to automate job candidate follow-up is how it integrates seamlessly with your other recruitment processes. You can manage your candidate database, track applications, and even collaborate with your team all in one place. It's a full-service tool that doesn't just stop at follow-ups. So, to recap, Top Echelon lets you automate job candidate follow-up with customized email templates, scheduling options, and response tracking, all of which save you time and help you stay organized. Plus, it's incredibly easy to use and integrates with your workflow. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can access Top Echelon for free by clicking the first link below, take advantage of this extended free trial, and start automating your candidate follow-ups today. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your recruitment process.